So now we will solve the same question with some optimized approach, that is known as prefix array sum. So first in this we will calculate this after, and yeah, first let's discuss the logic here. Yeah, so as we can see from the name, it's prefix sum. So um, we will create a new array with the same number of elements, but it will be pre-sum array. It means if we are talking about, that's, yeah, 0th index. So pre means पहले, अगर हमारा कोई भी एलिमेंट है, इंडेक्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर 1 इंडेक्स, सो 0 और 1 का सम है, हम वो न्यू एरे के वहाँ डाल देंगे. यहाँ पे ये 0 है, पिछले का सम 1 है, ये सेकंड इंडेक्स है, पिछले मीन्स इनका सम क्या है, -1. ओके, नाउ थर्ड एलिमेंट तक का सम क्या है, दिस इज माइनस, एंड weight will be this -1 plus 6 means 5. Now next 5 plus -1 means 4. So what we are calculating in the prefix array, we are calculating the sum of ith element by adding the i-1 element with the ith element of the original array, because the i-1 element of the prefix is the sum of the i-1 elements. So it will be 4 plus 3 means 7. All the elements 1 2 3 4 5, yes, both the elements are 5. So this is our prefix array. So yeah, now there is a question. Now if we want to calculate the sum of this, like for example, this, how we'll calculate? So what we'll do, we will as we have calculated this sum of this, we will we will subtract the last element, means in this subarray the first element is index 1 and index 2. So we will do the prefix of index 2 minus prefix of and -1. Okay, I will tell this in easy form. Formula, sum will be equal to sum of I, prefix of start minus prefix prefix of end minus prefix of start -1. Yes, what it will come of this sum of numbers from where to where, it will be 1 to 2 index. So here will be 2 minus 1 means 0, because let's take another example. It's the array, we have to calculate the sum of this. In this 4 is what, this 4 is the sum of this, yes, but this is the element, we don't want this. So what is this is the first element of the second array we have created. So this is, and for example we have to calculate the sum of this 7 is the sum of all the elements, but we don't want first 3. And what is the sum of first 3 is the sum of this index. So this formula is valid. So let's now talk about the code for this. We have to calculate the current sum and max sum. We don't have to calculate this thing, and yes, this is the mandatory. We have to calculate the start and end and the current sum. So now yeah, current sum, what will be the current sum? As we have calculated, the current sum will be equal to prefix of this and this. Let's copy. Yeah, but we can't do this now. So what was this is the end and start minus 1, and the error is coming. We didn't have made the prefix array, so first create the prefix array here only. So int prefix equals new int, and the length will be same as the original. So here now prefix numbers dot length, here right, prefix is calculated, and prefix of 0 will be as it is as numbers of 0, and calculating the elements of prefix array is for I and less than numbers dot length. So prefix of I is equal to prefix of I minus 1 plus numbers of I. Yes, there is no issue. Prefix of I minus, it will start from 1. We have calculated 0th, so it will start from 1 here. And now instead of this we have to calculate the, yeah, it is the current sum now. And here will be condition, because at start will be starting with 0 and this will become negative. So condition, if start equals 0, then let's copy, then it will be only this. Let's take example, its start is 0, means it's starting from here only. Here means let's go here. So the sum will be only the ending element is index 2, and we will calculate the sum will be index 2 only. So yes, this, and it will be else condition. So yeah, so what we have done, I think it's correct. Let's verify current sum greater, yeah. So first we have calculated this prefix index and this prefix array, new prefix array, and we have calculated the elements. Then it's the mandatory thing, starting index and ending point we have to calculate. Then we have calculated the current sum for the particular starting and particular ending. So this is the condition. If the starting index is the starting subarray index is the 0th index, so there will be no minus. And in else condition this, and yeah, we know that we have done in previous solution calculating, and the answer should be 8. Yeah, see, the answer is 8.